I received today the unit and assembled it. I'm testing it right now. It starts manually. Here I have I can work it manually, but the remote doesn't work. For instance, if I try to shut down, nothing happens. Even if I press long time, 3-4 seconds, I press once, nothing. I press up, and the unit doesn't respond. I think this is the wrong remote. It's not paired with the unit. That's pity. Yeah, Lena. Sorry, I want to shut down. It doesn't work. Huh? Nothing works. I want to. I'm pressing the button going up. Nothing happened. Nothing. Defective unit.